Pepper soup dị ọkụ, onye chọrọ ya? Onye chọrọ ya? Ọ na-apụkwa na-apụ pụtụpụtụ n'ofe. Hey guys, good evening. So welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make fish pepper soup, and we have our fish here. Yeah, so this is our fish. I've had this fish in the freezer for quite a long time now. No, I'll show you later. So I've had this fish for quite a long time now in the freezer, and I just brought it out. So remember that if you want to clean your fish, you can make use of lime to clean your fish. And this is lime. This is lime. I will be putting it inside to use and clean the fish, so that it will remove other germs that are inside the fish. Chimbo, please leave. Oh no. So right now we'll be washing our fish. You can take this lime and be rubbing it on the body of the fish to remove any sliminess, anything that will be on the fish. So this is what I'll be doing right now.
I can literally see the
Hey.
Mom, I can hold it. I want to scratch.
I'll be showing you the ingredients that I'll be using to make this fish pepper soup. And right here we have crayfish. This is crayfish. Yes, blended crayfish. And this is seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cubes of choice. This is salt, and this is freshly blended ehuru. I will show you what an ehuru seed on the screen. So this is freshly blended, you can see it, and this is yellow pepper, a mixture of yellow and red pepper. So I'll be adding these ingredients into our fish. So here is our fish. So goes in our crayfish. First of all, I want to add the spices, then turn it and leave it for some time before I can start cooking it. So remember that there are different types of pepper soup spice in the market. You can get any one that you want, okay? So I'll be going in with our salt. My nails are coming in handy. I'll be adding in our salt. I'll be adding in our pepper. Yeah, we are the pepper family. So right now I'll be adding in our seasoning cubes. I'll be adding it in. So here goes in another. I'm using 2 cubes because I will still add water. So after adding all your spices, turn it and cover it. So turn everything. So this is fish, and you don't want your fish breaking. So I'll be using a wooden spoon. Turn all these things so that everything will marinate inside. So this is our fish. Okay, please, whenever you're cooking fish, don't use spoon to turn your fish. Use a spatula or a wooden spoon like this, so that the fish doesn't break, so that it will still be as a whole like this when you're dishing it out in your plate, or when you're dishing out for a customer. So just stir gently. You flip this particular one so that it can also cook on the other side. So this is it. So right now I'll be adding up the otaze. So that it will simmer inside very well. You stir. You still add more otaze, but not too much. Pepper soup dị ọkụ, onye chọrọ ya? Onye chọrọ ya? Ọ na-apụkwa na-apụ pụtụpụtụ n'ofe. Stir small small. Kimaki do with chakwazu. Look at it. Come closer. Layer. Fish pepper soup is ready.